Hello everybody and welcome back to the Philosopher's Brewery and Fermentary. I'm Tom, and our goal for today is to take our no hop tea beer off the lees. The lees is right on the bottom of this fermentary jug. And then we have the wort right on top, and I'll explain those two terms a little bit later. The goal is to put it into this cleaned and sanitized jug. Let me tell you about that process of cleaning and sanitizing real quick. The first thing we do to clean is to put the jug in the sink. Then add about 1 tablespoon of one step. Fill the jug with warm water. Let it sit for an hour or more if it's dirty, like really dirty. If there's beer grime and all that kind of stuff on the inside, you're going to want to let it sit more and maybe even scrape out all that stuff with a bottle brush. And the next thing we need to do is sanitize it with Star San. So with the Star San, you're going to usually use 1 ounce to sanitize 5 gallons, but today we're just using a 1 gallon jug. So what we'll do is just go under about 1/4 ounce, pour that into our jug, add some warm water, swish it around, and then what we're going to do right now is empty this sanitizer into our green tray of sanitization so we can get our siphon and our tube sanitized. Let's give it a little swirl action right there. Okay, and we are ready to rock and roll. So the next thing we need to do is get some height on this this starting fermentation. So we'll take our 1-step little bucket, put it on top here, and it's the perfect fit for a 1 gallon. I love that. All right, and I guess this is a great time to explain what the lees is and what the wort is on top of here. So let's get out our lees and wort cam here. Here you'll see the lees. And that would be dead yeast or particles that came out of our wort. The wort is the sugary water that's on top. And basically it's the sugar that extracted from the mashing step when we brewed. So we have the lees on the bottom, which is a whole bunch of dead yeast. And we have the wort on top, which is the sugary water that we will eventually drink. Okay, it's time to get to work. And to do so, we are going to take off the bung. That's this thing right here. Put it into the sanitizer. We're going to take our airlock, put that back into the sanitizer because we will be using that soon. And let's put together our siphon. Let's get it sanitized a little bit throughout that tube. And we are ready to roll. Here we go. There. I feel like I should put some sensual music on or something right here. Right there. I don't want it to hit the lees because otherwise it might go right into the secondary jug. So let's give it a little pump here. And we're off to the races. Just to get that little bit extra out. Ooh. There we go. Set that down carefully. Take out the pump. And put it to the side. Take your paper towel, clean off your airlock and your bung so that you'll have a nice seal after you wipe away the inside of your secondary. Put this on top, give it a little shake, make sure that there is a really good seal. And okay, and that's it. We just put our beer into our secondary. Its job right now is to clear out a little bit more, and if it's to your liking, you can put the beer into the bottles with a little bit of sugar so you can get that carbonation that you're looking for and enjoy. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll put this away and we will be sipping it in no time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you can, like it, subscribe, I guess, any of that stuff. And I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.